Lie down comfortably on your back. Just take a moment to settle your body. Have the knees bent and the feet on the floor. Take a slow, deep, conscious breath in and out, preparing for the practice of Viloma Pranayama. In this practice, you begin by taking a small breath in and then pause, breathe in a bit more, pause, breathe in a bit more, pause, maybe a little bit more, pause, and then a long, smooth, controlled breath out. So continue like this, interrupted breath in, maybe 4, 5, 6 pauses, and a long, smooth, controlled breath out. Observing different spaces opening in the body, and that relaxing, long breath out. Continue. Making this the last round now, take a moment to pause and observe your breath as it is, and preparing for the leg lock pose. Bring the right knee in towards your chest, hands around the knee, take a deep breath in and slowly blow the breath out through pursed lips as you squeeze the knee to the chest, lifting the head and the shoulders towards the knee. As you breathe in, release the head back to the floor and continue twice more. Now stretch the right leg up towards the sky, hands around the back of the leg, beginning to circle the foot, loosening the ankle joint in one direction, and then change directions. Holding the back of the leg, you can try and slide the hands a little bit closer to the foot without any strain. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, gently draw the leg towards you, lifting the upper body towards the leg. Inhaling as you release the head back to the floor. Again, repeat twice more. Now cross the right ankle over the left knee, lift the left foot off the floor, interlocking the hands either around your left shin or the back of the thigh for the piriformis stretch. Just gently applying a little bit of pressure on the shin or the thigh to draw the leg a little bit closer, opening the back of the thigh and the hip, holding, breathing, letting go of any unnecessary tension. So release the foot back down to the floor and preparing to repeat that whole sequence on the left side. The leg lock pose, drawing the left knee into the chest. As you exhale, squeezing the knee, lifting the head. Twice more, just moving in time with your breath. Lift the leg up towards the ceiling, circling the foot, both directions. Now sliding the hands towards your foot, breathe in, and as you breathe out, draw the leg towards you, lifting the upper body towards the leg. Again, repeat a couple more times. And now crossing the left ankle across the right knee, lifting up the right foot, interlock the hands around the shin or the back of the thigh. Keep the head down as you gently draw the leg towards you for the piriformis stretch. Releasing, relaxing with each breath out. And release both feet back down to the floor. Pause, relax, interlock the hands behind the back of the head. Let the elbows come out to the side, or just let the arms come out to the sides, ready for the sleeping abdominal stretch. Let the knees turn to the right, turning the head to the left. Relax into this twist and follow your breath. Take some conscious, deeper breaths, relaxing with each out-breath. Now beginning to bring the knees and the head back to the center, and then releasing to the opposite side. Then take a moment to pause, relax, following your breath, noticing how the breath moves in the body and where you're experiencing your breath in the body. Now I'm preparing for sunflower pose. Hands interlocked, legs close together, knees and feet together. As you inhale deeply, take the arms overhead, separate the knees, bring the soles of the feet together. As you exhale, come back to the starting position. Continue 4 more rounds, opening up the whole of the breathing space. Breath and movement perfectly synchronized. As you come into the sunflower pose this time, hold that position, make it comfortable for your body so you can just release. Let the eyes close, feel the breath, observing the breath as it moves in the body. Each time you breathe out, feel you can just relax into the posture a little more. Preparing to come back now, lifting the arms and then lifting the knees back to the center. Bring the feet into position for the bridge pose. Press down through the feet to lift the hips. You can raise the arms overhead. As you exhale, bringing the arms and the hips back down, draw the knees into the chest, lifting the head towards the knees, all in the breath out. As you inhale, coming back into the bridge, pushing down through the feet, lifting the hips, arms overhead. In a continuous flow, leg lock pose, head towards the knees. A few more rounds, moving with the breath. Next time you lift up into that bridge position, steady the body, pause here, breathe. Again, feel the breath, how it moves and shapes in the body. Steady pose, steady breath. And now slowly releasing the hips back down to the floor, bringing the hands around the knees, making little circles with the knees to ease the lower back. Now, body relaxed. Begin to consciously breathe slowly and deeply, following every breath as it moves in and out of the body. Stay present. Stay fully with the breath. As you breathe in, imagine you're also breathing in a sense of health, strength, energy, positivity. And as you breathe out, feel you can let go of any tiredness, tension, negativity, fear, anxiety. Just breathing in, health, strength, and energy. And as you breathe out, letting go, releasing, and relaxing into this moment.